welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you quick and easy way to make roses. These are made with satin silk ribbons. This one I have used a 1-inch ribbon, and the bigger one I have used 1.5-inch size of a ribbon. This is the size I have used. This one is the 1.5 and this one is 1-inch ribbon. You can go ahead and use the larger size of ribbon or the smaller size, depends on you. Okay, so let's move these flowers aside and let's get started with the video. The supplies you will need is a ruler, a lighter, and make sure kids don't try this at home. If you wanted to try this, make sure your parents are around and watching you. Next thing, you will need a ribbon which is 60 centimeters long. I am using this 30 centimeter size of a ruler. You will need a double-sided tape. The supplies list is also linked in the description box down below. Listed in the description box down below. And you can go ahead and make a flower clips like that with this rose. It's really great. Okay. Now to start, you will take the right side, the shiny side of the ribbon, and make sure you take the lighter and light a little bit to the raw edges of your ribbon. This will seal everything and the raw bits will not come off. Now into a sideways, you have to keep your ribbon like that, and then you have to fold it over to your ruler. Make sure a little bit, tiny bit should be outside, this corner should be outside of the ruler. Start wrapping ruler. And this is what your ruler should looks like right now. I'm going to put something weight on, and now I'm going to take my double-sided tape and you start putting this to your ribbon and cut the excess off. And then I'm going to remove my ruler. Make sure your hand is not too loose or too tight when you wrapping the ribbon over your ruler. Now we have to remove the top section of the double-sided tape. And now what you have to do is, this is your starting point, and take this bit, hold it and turn it. Oops. And then you hold this and take your tool out, and now with the hand I'm just going to go ahead and rotating this over. I'm just doing is sticking this over to the piece just in a straight line. And there is your yellow rose. Love it, just love it. Now if you want to make it like this way, like expanded way, all you have to do is just suspend these like that. And you will see there is a difference now in this flower. Now at the end, when you see this bit, just trim this off, seal the edges, and now you can go ahead and add it to any clip or anywhere you want it to, any on any tiara, if you're making any roses tiara, whatever you like. So this is it. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. This video was pretty quick and easy. If you try these, don't forget to share the picture with me, guys, and don't forget to comment me on the comment box down below if you like today's video tutorial. This was pretty quick and short video. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial, and for more, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for you who supported my channel, who supported my videos. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Bye.